build it up faster. I mean, I have like 3 things that build my ult up, right? Yeah. Alright, motherfuckers, let's go. Good phase 1. Good phase 1.
Yeah, that's a really good phase 1.
I mean, I don't even have half my ult charge back.
Oh.
What am I doing standing next to him? There we go.
Almost. That was perfect dodge, but oh well.
All just kind of came to you.
God damn. God damn.
Oh, I got blown up. Just trying to kill just that last guy that was on me and come to get you. Oh, Raider got fucked on that. Oh my god, I don't know how she didn't grab you. I got you, Raider. Hold on. That's bad. Oh. Sorry guys, these girls really love me over here. Dead. Run!
Oops.
Why did Raider ult that? I have ult for when they all settle down. And then I'm coming close to you. Here you go.
No! Okay, cool. I thought the Raiders rock fucked it.
Some healing down for us. It turned out a lot better than our first go at this boss.
Oh, yeah.
You just T-posing there, buddy? You just T-posing.
No, girl, you can go first.
First, I don't give no fucks. Alright, I get fucks now. Bro, we gotta aim for the weak boy first? He two shots me, by the way. Fireball! 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 He one-shot me right there. Still eating. He's trying to eat that. Give me like.
I'm sorry, he summoned ants?
Yep, summons ads. Good thing I don't have alt yet. Oh god. Watch it, one more. Fireball. 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 Okay, he doesn't like the firebombs. Do you like this?
But what was going on?
Rampaging.
Throw it right? What?
He's down, he's down.
I gotta get the rat. Oh, I fucking had to heal. I've wasted that.
Malting it.
Oh, when the ants grabbed me.
Me too. Got him down. Nice job. I'm down. He knocked his own ad down.
The fuck is
what
that?
is that big ass thing?
Alright, hopefully she got you.
She's getting chased by the big dude right now. And he's just spewing scarlet rot on my head. Ace!
I killed him!
Hey, I'm not getting up.
Oh, he's dead.
He's not dead.
What do you mean? I
I'm
killed
not
him.
getting up. I'm not getting up.
It's over, right?
No, it's not over. I didn't get up instantly. It's really dark. I put a lightning ward down.
That was the credits roll, start and roll, right?
See no credits. Oh, we gotta run. Okay. My bad. I didn't know you were spewing scarlet rot from the map. It's nice, nice. Nope. Okay. That somehow. Soon. Got alt now. Hitting it. She's down. She's got it.
What the fuck?
I don't know. Oh, that's an explosion. Oh, a double explosion.
I'm dead from that. He's coming. Just like stunned him right on time. Oh.
Oh my god! So fast.
Alright, she's going
I
there.
don't know where that truck hit me.
Keep an eye on that truck.
She's red, so I'm hoping that means she's going for him. She's routed. Nice. That's my last pot. I have alt. Get them, boys! Oh god, that's a lot of scarlet. Oh, building up. Oh god, I'm gonna die. Is it down? Oh.
It's my last heal. Big girl, I hope you're close to me.
She's right on you. Good top. Almost there. Nice.
No.
Try, right? First try. You're dead.
Oh my god. No way. We had so much trouble with the first boss, but the final boss, we... Calamity over...
And one try, and the other two, or the other dancers took us 5 days.
Test ailment gauge fully increases. Wait, what? I mean, ours? Attack inflict rot when damage is taken. I'm just going to assume this is more for the scholar.
Slowly increases attack power. Oh, that means whenever we have a fucking element like about to affect us, doesn't it?
That's what I'm thinking.
Another substantial threat subdued.
When taking damage. In the vicinity covers HP. Meh. Meh. Sounds like a meh.
Perhaps this was an act of penance.
I didn't even have to use my freaking revive.